Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nua and in today's video we are going to be making coffee and walnut cake. This is a recipe I've used so many times and it's definitely a family favorite. Let's go. Start off by taking 170 grams of butter and 170 grams of caster sugar. Add the sugar and the butter into a bowl and whisk together until light and fluffy. Then crack 3 eggs into a jug and whisk them together. Slowly and gradually add the egg mixture into the butter and sugar mixture and add in 1 tablespoon of self-raising flour in at a time, and the self-raising flour should be 170 grams in total. Then once you've used up all of the egg mixture, add in the rest of the flour along with 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and fold that into the mixture. And I've just spilled some there, fantastic. Then take 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and 1 tablespoon of warm water and dissolve the instant coffee in the water and add that to your mixture and fold that in. Then place the cake batter into a lined baking tin. You can split it into 2 at this point and bake it in a preheated oven of 160 degrees for about half an hour and let it cool when it comes out. For the frosting, take 100 grams of butter and 225 grams of icing sugar. Whisk the butter until it's light and fluffy. And slowly add in the icing sugar so you avoid making a mess. Then again, take 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and 1 tablespoon of warm water and dissolve the coffee in the water. If you prefer it strong, you can add more coffee. And add that to your frosting mix and whisk that up until it looks like this. And once the cake is completely cool, add your frosting on top. And I've taken an offset spatula here to smooth it over the top and the sides. Then I've taken a piping bag with the star nozzle tip and I've piped it around the sides of the cake just to make it look nicer. And I've added some walnuts on top just to complete the cake. And here it is, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below. And as always, the method as well as the ingredients will be in the description box. Bye guys.